Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So as you already know, we had a very bad mishap that happened in the airport last night. Right now, we actually had an emergency check-in last night here at Dolce Vita Hotel and Resort. They actually made our Christmas Eve much better. So I'll just do a very quick tour of what you will see here. Our room is a bit messy because we were all in such an emergency last night. We didn't have any place to stay. We were supposed to go to El Nido. You can just go to a separate vlog about what happened at the airport when we arrived here in Palawan. But to make it on a positive note, we checked in here at Dolce Vita Hotel and Resort. We booked in through bookings.com at an emergency. I called because there's a contact number there. I called the contact number exactly right after we booked seconds, and she picked up. Christmas Eve, she picked up. So that's really good customer service for you guys. If I'm gonna tell you, because they answered the phone really well, and they let the front desk know that we were coming in out of an emergency booking. Straight off the bat, once we got here, we got a room, we rested, we were very taken care for. We were even able to order food. And guys, another tip, grab food, and Food Panda works. So if ever, you can just go ahead and do that while you're here in Palawan as well. Now I'll just do a very quick tour. This is the facade of where it is, and then we'll do a quick tour of what's inside at the lobby and the restaurant. So here we are, a very quick run through and walk through of Dolce Vita Resort. This is Kuya. I just saw him earlier this morning. Yeah. Thank you, Kuya. Merry Christmas, Kuya. So yeah, so this is the facade. It's very, very cozy, very native, and the breeze is really good. Right? So here's what you'll see first out of the bat. There are different kinds of rooms, but we actually checked in for a group of 4 because we have 2 other tourists that joined us. Again, you'll know about that on another video about what happened at the airport. So that's what it looks like. There's actually a pool area right after the restaurant. So yeah, we already ordered breakfast. We have very good selection of breakfast and food. There's a bit of a bar there. And then that is the pool. It's a very good place for family to, just have laid back and relax and celebrate. And then here's our table with my lovely husband, and then our new friends. And then that's Kuya, say hi to the vlog. Yep, so he's the front desk, and he is very, very nice. Guys, I really recommend Dolce Vita. It's really nice and very cozy. So guys, this is a very quick walkthrough of the lobby and the restaurant area and the pool area. I'll try to at least have a video of our room later on to mash up with this video as an ending. But guys, it's very affordable, very clean, and it's really very cozy. I would recommend that you book your stay here if you are in the city. They're only about a few meters away from the airport, so it's very, very near, because we only paid 200 pesos for the taxi, which is the minimum rate for the taxi. So it's only 200 pesos. But I think we can also take a tricycle, but because we have lots of suitcases or luggages, and we're 4 people, we decided to just take the taxi. So again, guys, Dolce Vita Hotel and Restaurant is really good. Highly recommended, and the people are very warm. They made a Christmas Eve and Christmas Day much better. So see you guys in the next vlog, and check out the previous video to at least give you tips when you arrive here in Palawan. Okay, have a good day.